Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Chennai Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make kulfi. So let's get into the video. For this recipe, you will need 1 liter of full fat milk, condensed milk, wheat flour, corn flour, vanilla essence, few steel tumblers, ice cream sticks and few rubber bands. I've kept the milk on the stove for boiling. Meanwhile, I'll tell you the rest of the ingredients. I've taken some biodegradable cover and cut them in square or rectangle shape to cover the tumblers. If you have aluminium foil, you can use them. I've taken some milk powder and sugar. The milk has come to a boil now. I'm going to keep it on the stove again for another 10 to 15 minutes for it to thicken. Meanwhile, I've taken half a cup of milk and cooled it down. To that I'm adding 1 cup of milk powder, half a cup of wheat flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and half a cup of sugar. You can increase the content of sugar if required. Whisk this all up till there are no lumps formed. Now we're gonna pour this mixture into the boiling milk. We have to make sure the milk also doesn't form any lumps, so gently stir the milk till we get a thick consistency. To increase the creaminess, I'm going to add a quarter cup of condensed milk. This is optional. So now you can see that the milk has thickened. Pour this into the steel tumblers one by one and cover it with the biodegradable covers. Fasten it with a rubber band. I'm going to make a slit in the middle and insert the ice cream sticks. Pop it in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours. Once you take them out of the fridge, allow it to cool down for 3 to 4 minutes and then your kulfi is ready. I hope you and your kids will love this recipe. Do give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.